Hello power users, so in today's tutorial we will be looking at how to create a table inside our power apps without even leaving the designer, because what you are usually doing is creating this in your power platform. So we'll show how to create this inside. We will cover at least two possible bugs and errors regarding creating this table inside, and we will just create a simple table to wrap it up and to see the topic on the living example. So Zbigniew Lukowski, let's start. Okay, so first of all, we want to see if the data here is selectable, because if we click on this data and see our click on that data and we can see that the tables are here, then we probably can add another table. But if not, if this create new table is not visible and you cannot see the tables, you need to go back to the make power apps com for your environment, go to the tables, and in the table section you need to check if those tables are visible for you. So it may occur that something is not right here, that you have only the button create new database, because on your environment you have no database created, right? So if you want to check this, you can go to click on the cogwheel icon, go to the admin center. In the admin center, go to the environment section, and in the environment section you can check if your environment have Dataverse set to yes. As you can see, mine does, so I don't have to create a Dataverse. Two things can happen here. First of all, on your environment, you can have the upgrade button here, because you have the really old version of environment and you need to upgrade first in order to create tables. And also you can have problems with the database, because already you created the database for your environment, but still you cannot see it. And this may take a while, so up to 1 hour, I think. So you can go drink coffee, etc., and just get this done by your system. So this is the other thing. And the last problem I saw with the table creation, if you have this button, the new table, grayed out, it means that you may have a problem with creating a new table in your modern designer. You probably won't be able to create it inside from Power Apps. Two things. I think you may need to go to your main page. Let's go explore all apps. So you can go to your main page, like got this home, try the new power apps. This probably need to be clicked. This toggle need to be enabled. Plus you can go to click on the cogwheel icon. You can go to advanced settings, and in advanced settings you are in the old creator or the designer. In this form, probably all the problems with the modern designer disappear. So if you click on the customizations, customize the system, let's give it a moment to load. And you can see that in the components there are entities. Entities are the old name for the table. If you click this, you can click the new entity, and then in this old designer you will probably be able to create table. So if this doesn't work from Power Apps, then this is the workaround. But those are the possible errors you may occur with this create table not visible. But if there are no problems, if you can see the create new table, just do it. You create the plural name of your table. Let's see, let's call it publisher. Yeah, the plural will be publishers. This is a lot of advanced settings, I must say. I click create. And in this create, option you have now, edit table, you will probably have this already created. You at least need one column in the table, which will be the name, the main column. This one is the name. If you can explore table properties, advanced options, I would like always to make them offline available, because I always forget about it after if I want to enable the tracking offline, because this is something which you will probably use extensively. Others options are more are less common, so if you don't need anything from here at the first glance, probably you can leave it as this. And yeah, sorry, let's save it. And I have already the some data created. I can create the publishers here by entering the new ones. It's, you can also create the data here, not only the table, but the structure, but the data itself. I've created a couple of publishers for the board games. For the board games I will store on my environment. I don't know because the spelling is correct. Okay, so refresh, it's done, let's close. As you can see, I have let's click see all tables. Let's go to the publishers. Oh, so it's already added. So I already can use it. Okay, so let's insert a vertical gallery for this. Let's go with the publishers. And as you can see, my publishers are already here. The first assignment, the creating a table, is already done. You can see those in the table. We can now work with those new tables with which we created. Okay, so I hope this was helpful and you learned something new. You can give a like, sub, etc. You know, I have a lot of content from Power Apps, Power Automate Desktop and other parts of the Power Platform environment. Zbigniew Lukowski out. See you.